How to show followers on your Facebook. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and today I will show you how you can show the followers on your Facebook profile. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, make sure you install the latest version of Facebook on your phone. If you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your phone already, then you can simply open your Facebook app. After that, on the top left side, you will see a circle with your profile linked on it. Now, you cannot see the followers also because your activity status, profile status of your Facebook is personal. Now when you convert into a professional mode, you can simply see the followers on your Facebook. Like, tap on the three horizontal dots there, and now see this. You can simply go on turn on professional mode. Now when you turn on the professional mode on your Facebook, you will be able to see the followers on your Facebook by accepting everything right here. Just accept everything and follow all the steps. And if you do so, then your profile can be seen. You will also see the followings and also the followers. Since I have no followers on my Facebook, so you can see that I have no any followers on my Facebook. But if you have followers, then you can simply see it by turning into a professional mode. Hope this video helps you. Save and watch it, subscribe and like it, and also comment on our video. Thank you.